Hello, good morning students. Children, just now we discussed that the nerves are bundle of fibers which are sending the message to the brain through spinal cord, and they are also reciprocating, means taking the message and sending it to the different parts of the body. Children, let us now find out what are the different kinds of nerves we have. Children, actually we have three kinds of nerves. There are three kinds of nerves. They are sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Remember children, there are three kinds of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves and fixed nerves. Now, sensory nerves, as you can understand by the word, that it is controlling the sense organs. It is related to sense organs. Now, how they are related to sense organs? These nerves, they are sending message to the sense organs when the brain sends the message. So, they bring message from the sense organ to the brain or to the spinal cord, and again sending it back to the other parts of the body. Like I told you just now that you have seen a snake. So, who has done that? Part of seeing the snake, that is eyes. Eyes have seen something and it sends the message through the nerves to the brain, and the brain tells the person that you move your leg or you run away or you control your movement, you don't go forward. Similarly, if you have touched something hot, who has done that? Your sense organs, means you have touched or you have tasted something hot, or maybe it is very cold, and then you do like this, when you take a bite of ice cream which is very cold. Now you feel that, isn't it? You feel that it is very cold, or you feel something very hot. So how you feel? The sense organ, only you touch that thing, then the message is sent to the brain through the nerves that there is something hot or there is something cold, and then the brain send back the message that okay, you move your hand or you touch it or you feel or you enjoy. Even the feelings also, hearing is concerned. So, sensory nerves, these bundle of nerves, they bring the message from the sense organ to the brain or the spinal cord. And as you know, sometimes the spinal cord again send the message to the brain. It is interconnected. Okay. Coming to the next, motor nerves. By the word motor nerves, you can understand that it is controlling the motors. Okay, the motor, your action, your muscles, your whatever work you do. Okay, so these nerves, they carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles or gland. So their function is to take the message from the brain and the spinal cord and give it to the muscles, give it to the glands. Like secretion of glands are also done. Muscle means you move your hands, you move your legs. Okay. So this muscle movement and internal movement also, like we have studied, the internal movements are there, involuntary muscles, that is also controlled by these. Means the brain and the spinal cord is controlling through the bundle of nerves. Yes, they are sending like the secretion of the gland, like we have studied in digestive system that the glands, they take the, they secrete the juice, okay, and for better digestion. This is all done, and that it is sending the message to the glands that you have to secrete. Now the food has entered the body and it has gone to the stomach or intestine. All these things are done by the bundle of nerves, and they are sending the message to the muscles, to your glands also. Okay, so they carry the order from the brain and the spinal cord to the muscles or to the glands. To the muscles or to the glands, they are sending the message. Okay, this bundle of nerves. So that's why they are called motor nerves. Okay, and coming to the third one is mixed nerves. They carry messages to the brain as well as bring the order. So they are taking the message also and bringing the message to the different parts of it. So they are doing the both that. They are not only giving the message to the brain, or they are not only carrying the action to the different parts of the body, from the message from the brain to the different parts of the body. No, they are doing both the function. So these nerves carry the message to the brain, as well as they send the message to the orders, or the not only message, you can say orders to the other parts of the body, that you have to do this. Like somebody tells you, raise your hand. So the message goes to the, you hear through your sense organ, you hear that you have to raise your hand. Immediately the nerves there send the message to the brain, and the brain send again the message that you have to raise. So your muscles are moving, you raise your hand. So this action means you are doing with the help of brain, your spinal cord, and your bundle of nerves, and of course the muscles are moving, that is afterwards. So you hear the nerves send the message to the brain says that yes, you have to move your hands, your limbs. So it again, the message from with the help of the bundle of nerves goes to your limbs or hands, and you raise your hand. So this all action is done by the mixed nerves. So mixed nerves carry also the message and also bring back the order to the different parts of the body. So you understood, sensory nerves are carrying all your action of seeing, smelling, tasting and all that. Your motor nerves, they control your muscles and your glands, and the mixed nerves actually they carry the message to the brain and the spinal cord, as well as bring the orders from the brain and the spinal cord, brings brain to through spinal cord and bring the message to different parts of the body. Okay, so these are your 3 types of nerves. Thank you.